Hello students, today we are going to study a plant hormone. That name of that plant hormone is the auxin. This auxin is derived from the term that is auxin, means it is to grow. Auxin means to grow. Okay. Regarding this hormone, this hormone was first used, means this term that is the auxin is first used by the F.W. Went in 1931, and this particular hormone is isolated from the urine of a person. That person was suffering from the disease that is pellagra. म्हणजेच हा जो हार्मोन जो होता एका माणसाचा ज्याला पेलेग्रा झालेला होता त्याच्या युरिनमध्ये हा सापडला आणि त्या युरिनमधनं आयसोलेट केला गेला हा हार्मोन. ठीक आहे. नाव in case of plants, this hormone auxin is synthesized in plants at the particular site. That hormone is synthesized in growing tip. Growing tip म्हणजे काय की प्लांटचा जो वरचा जो भाग असतो ज्याच्यामध्ये द ग्रोथ पॉईंट, त्याला काय म्हणायचं, ग्रोथ पॉईंट किंवा ग्रोईंग टिप, ज्या ठिकाणी ॲक्टिव्ह सेल डिव्हिजन होतं किंवा त्या पॉईंटला म्हणायचं मेरिस्टमॅटिक रिजन. म्हणजेच काय, ग्रोथ पॉईंटच्या ठिकाणी किंवा मेरिस्टमॅटिक रिजनच्या ठिकाणी या हार्मोनचं प्रोडक्शन होतं. ठीक आहे. हा हार्मोन सिंथेसाइज होतं. मीन्स सिंथेसिस ऑफ दिस हार्मोन टेक्स प्लेस इन अ ग्रोथ टिप growing tip or growth point, or it is also called as meristematic regions, where the active cell division takes place, the particular region at which the cells divides and redivides repeatedly. मेरिस्टमॅटिक रिजन त्या ठिकाणी याचं प्रोडक्शन होतं. आता याच्यामध्ये प्लांट्समध्ये जो नॅचरल ऑक्झिन आहे तो इंडोल 3 ॲसिटिक ॲसिड आहे, IAA, इंडोल 3 ॲसिटिक ॲसिड. आणि हा इंडोल 3 ॲसिटिक ॲसिड इट इज द नॅचरल ऑक्झिन फाउंड इन प्लांट्स, नॅचरल ऑक्झिन्स. अँड दिस हार्मोन, particular auxin, this hormone the first discovered in plants, that is the auxin, and it is primarily responsible for the cell elongation or cell enlargement. सेलच्या इलॉंगेशनसाठी या हार्मोनची गरज असते. सेल ज्या डिवाइड होतात त्या सेल नंतर इलॉंगेट होतात. ठीक आहे. तर हा नॅचरल हार्मोन आहे ज्याला काय म्हणायचं, इंडोल ॲसिटिक ॲसिड. आणि या दिस इज द नॅचरल हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस इनसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ द प्लांट. ठीक आहे. कुठं तयार होतं आहे, ग्रोथ पॉईंट किंवा मेरिस्टमॅटिक रिजनमध्ये त्याचं प्रोडक्शन होतं. ठीक आहे. काही ऑक्झिन्स जे आहेत ते सिंथेटिक आहे म्हणजेच काय, ते लॅबोरेटरीमध्ये तयार केलेले आहेत. दे आर दी मॅनमेड हार्मोन्स. इंडोल ब्युटेरिक ॲसिड ज्याला IBA म्हणायचं, इंडोल ब्युटेरिक ॲसिड. सेकंड वन इज द नॅफ्थॅलिन ॲसिटिक ॲसिड or NAA, naphthalene acetic acid. And third hormone is the 2,4-D. 2,4-D means what? See the long form of this 2,4-D. It is the dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. 2,4-D, dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, means these three are the synthetic auxins. Synthetic auxins means they are man-made hormones which are produced inside the laboratory. Indole butyric acid, naphthalene acetic acid, and 2,4-D. 2,4-D, or it is also called as that is the long form of that 2,4-D, dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Now see the physiological effects of these hormones, means how this hormone acts on the plant body. The primary effect of this hormone is cell enlargement. Primary effect is cell enlargement, and in higher plants this hormone inhibits the growth of lateral buds. Okay, this particular phenomenon is called as apical dominance. Apical dominance. Apical dominance means what? Means in higher plants the growing apical bud that inhibits the growth of lateral buds. Okay, means lateral buds inhibits the growth of that is the apical bud inhibits the growth of lateral buds. This is called as apical dominance. Means this apical dominance is due to this hormone, that is auxin. Okay, next effect is that physiological effect. It stimulates the growth of stem, means auxin is responsible for the growth of stem, root and multiplication of cell. Multiplication of cell means it is that multiplication of cells takes place due to the cell division. Okay. Next, this hormone is used in tissue culture. Tissue culture technique. Hormone is used in tissue culture technique. It is used to produce the callus. Tissue culture technique. In tissue culture technique, callus is produced by the application of this hormone. Lateral buds and adventitious roots are produced by the application of this hormone. Okay. Next, synthetic hormone, that is the 2,4-D. This acts as a herbicide. Herbicide means it kills the dicot weed, means that dicot weed which is present in monocrop plant, crops. Inside the monocot crops, this dicot weed is killed by the application of 2,4-D, because this 2,4-D acts as a herbicide. It is synthetic herbicide. By the application of this hormone 2,4-D, we can kill the dicot weed which are present in the monocot crop plants. Okay. Then another application of auxin is it induces the parthenocarpy. In certain plants, parthenocarpy, which helps in the production of seedless fruits like orange, lemon, grapes and banana. These are the seedless fruits. We can produce the seedless fruits by the application of this auxin. We can apply this hormone on the plants like orange, lemon, grapes and banana. They will produce the seedless fruits. This is called as, the phenomenon is called as induced parthenocarpy. This is called as induced parthenocarpy, means that fruits are produced without fertilization. That is called as formation of seedless fruits. Okay. Next application, next physiological effect is that auxin promotes the cell division in cambium. This cambium means it is the secondary growth in vascular tissue. This cambium is produced inside the phloem, in between phloem and xylem, or that is the vascular tissue. The auxin promotes the cell division in cambium. Cambium means it is the secondary growth in plants. Next physiological effect, foliar spray म्हणजे काय की पानांवर जी फवारणी केली जाते. If we spray the NAA, naphthalene acetic acid, or 2,4-D on the leaves of the plants, they will it will induce the flowering in plants. Flowering means it initiates the flowering. This particular hormone auxin, after application, after spray of this auxin on the certain plants, it induces the flowering in plants like lychee and pineapple. Lychee and pineapple means we can induce the flowering inside the plants by using foliar spray of naphthalene acetic acid and 2,4-D. Next application is that physiological effect, auxin. If auxin apply on the seed, auxin can break the seed dormancy and helps in the quick germination. Means after application of auxin on the seed, the seed can germinate fast, or this auxin helps in the quick germination because it breaks the dormancy of seed. This is regarding the auxin hormone and its physiological effect on the plant body. Okay, next time we will see the next hormone. Till then, goodbye.